Hey guys, welcome back to Animal Adventures with me, Jack, and this time, the stunningly beautiful and intelligent Lindsay. So I just got back from my reproductive physiology lab today, and I thought it might be fun to just share some things I learned, and I figured making a video would help me learn as well, so let's get to it.
Open up my eyes in the morning, now I'm sitting up grinning with a little yawning. Birds chirping outside, butterflies flying by. I know it's gonna be a bright, nice day. People who live in the city are getting gritty and not paying attention to their emissions, a carbon footprint, a global cooking. Give it a look, not anything that we should cut up in NY. Yeah, shut up and
So here we have a preserved, excised uterus from a ewe. The reproductive tract of small ruminants such as ewes and does do tend to look the same. Right here, this thing that looks like a black-eyed pea is called the caruncle. And on ewes and does, these tend to be cup-like, so they actually encompass the placentary membrane from the fetus. Here is the placentary membrane stretched out a little bit. And the part of the placenta that attaches to the caruncle is called the cotyledon. So, as you can see on this ewe, the caruncle surrounds the cotyledon, whereas on the cow, the cotyledon would surround the caruncle. And this difference is due to the convex and concavity of the caruncle. In cows, the caruncle is convex, as pictured on the left here. And on the right, you can see for the sheep and goat, the caruncle is concave. And these are the sites of attachment between the placenta and the maternal membrane of the uterus, the inner wall of the uterus. And this is the site of nutrient and waste transferal, also the site of blood transferal from the mother to the fetus during gestation. So here we have the cow tract. As you can see, it's much larger than the ewe tract. But the main difference we want to notice in the membrane structure is that the caruncle and the cotyledon are inverse what they would be on the sheep or goat. So that means that the caruncle is convex as opposed to concave. As you can see here, she's spreading out the placentary membrane next to that fetus. And right here is the caruncle, that dark liver colored spot, and then if you look over to the placentary membrane, you can see the cotyledon counterpart. So here we just have a mare tract. The purpose of this tract is just to demonstrate the diffuse nature of the placentary membrane. You can see how large it is and how it can encompass the entire inner wall of the uterus. So here we get a good look at a sow tract. Something unique about sow tracts is that they have these pouches, as you can see. Each pouch holds a piglet during gestation so that the sow's uterus can support multiple pigs per litter. Here's another one. And up here you can see a small fetus that has been pulled out of the tract. And you want to use this chart to convert the length of the fetus to the age of the fetus. You can use this chart, which is developed from a growth curve, to do that. So this is a nice fresh cow amnion. It's recently been excised. It's still fresh. You can see the caruncles here connected to the cotyledons within. And this just shows you how the sac is fluid filled to protect the fetus during gestation. So here we have some various cow fetuses. These are all very young. The smaller ones down below are about 3 weeks to a month old, whereas the larger ones are 2 months old. Up here we have a 3-month-old fetus. They are about the size of a large rat. This 4-month-old fetus is about the size of a small cat. And lastly, a 5-month-old fetus is about the size of a large cat. Hey guys, thanks for watching today. If y'all have any questions about the stuff you saw, you can feel free to leave a comment or direct message me. I hope you enjoyed the material. It was a little bit more scientific than my last video. But it's gonna help me study for sure. And yeah, if you liked, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Peace.